Today we have a pretty cheap semi-transparent speaker. So it is called the Armor 10-watt Canon speaker. So it is a cheap speaker. It is really a budget way of audio. The funny thing is, I do have to say, especially like here with the feeds removing the tape, is that they did try their best to make this design pretty cool with this speaker. So the semi-transparent look with all those pipes and all those mechanic stuff, it looks pretty cool. And the lights also work on the music, for example. It has USB Type-C. It has a pretty decent build for like its price. It's just that the packaging is just a small tin box. So nothing special about it. So the official model is the A39. But hey, they do call it like the Battle Armor 10-watt speaker. So yeah, here are some audio samples so you guys can see if the speaker even has any decent sound. So let's get straight into it.
Cause we both know one day they're just gonna